Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video, I'll be showing you how to plant out Amaryllis bulbs in containers. This houseplant bears colourful blooms in the form of a bell, with its 6 tapered petals giving it a star shape. They come in a range of striking and brilliant hues. Most Amaryllis plants are easy to grow and maintain indoors, which is yet another reason for their popularity. If the bulb is treated with care, it will produce flowers for many years. Where to plant? Native to subtropical regions, Amaryllis are best grown as a houseplant in the UK. Choose a bright spot but out of direct sunlight. A windowsill is perfect. How to plant? You will need Amaryllis bulbs, a sturdy pot just a few inches bigger than your bulb, and peat-free compost. Don't worry if your pot doesn't have drainage holes, just mix a little bit of charcoal in and take extra care when watering. Firstly, soak the Amaryllis bulbs for a few hours to help rehydrate the roots and speed up the growth process. Half fill a pot with peat-free, multi-purpose compost. I'm using a heavier bamboo pot as opposed to plastic because the stalk and flower will be heavy in a few weeks' time. You can also use a terracotta pot. Set the bulb in place, making sure the top sits just out of the soil. Just make sure the roots are covered and buried. Water in your Amaryllis bulb, then set in a warm and dark place for a few weeks until you notice a few inches of growth. Then, move to a brighter spot. The warmer the area, the quicker the growth and time until flowering. Generally, Amaryllis takes 6 to 8 weeks to bloom. Care. Amaryllis is an easy flower to grow. However, the biggest problem people face is watering. Take extra care not to overwater this plant, and only water when the soil is dry. When the stalk of the Amaryllis is ready to flower, it could be anywhere between 18 and 35 inches tall. If you notice it starting to topple, add a stake into the pot. After flowering. Once your Amaryllis has flowered, the bulb keeps growing, so repot again into a bigger container. Remove the flower bud, snipping off at the base, so the plant diverts its energy from seed production. After all risk of frost has passed, put your Amaryllis outside for the summer. Water and feed weekly to keep the leaves in growth and charge up the bulb for autumn. Stop watering completely in August to encourage a dormancy period. You can then repeat the process of autumn planting and bring your Amaryllis back indoors.